Hello. Today, let's talk about a nice comparison video about two devices which are really strong, baby. Yeah. Today, we are comparing the Apple's powerhouse tablets on this. The iPad Pro with the M4 chip from 2024. Wow. Versus the brand new iPad Pro with the M5 chip released in 2025. What's actually new? How big is the performance jump? And should you upgrade? Let's find it out, baby. The iPad Pro M4 is already pushed the limit of what a tablet can do, targeting professionals, creators, and power users. Now, Apple follow up with the M5 powered iPad Pro, focusing on even more performance, better efficiency, and future-ready features, especially for the AI-driven workflows. The biggest difference is, of course, the chip. The M4 iPad Pro is already extremely fast, handling video editing, 3D rendering, multitasking, and demanding creative apps with ease. The M5 iPad Pro, however, takes things further. Faster GPU, faster CPU performance, improved efficiency per watt, significantly stronger AI and machine learning capabilities. In real world use, this means smoother performance in heavy workflows like 4K and 8K video editing, advanced photo processing, 3D design, and next-gen AI apps. If you push your iPad hard, the M5 delivers a noticeable performance advantage. With the M5 generation, Apple improves the memory handling and multitasking performance too. That means more available RAM in base configuration and faster memory bandwidth allows better multitasking with multiple Pro apps. Fewer reloads when switching apps, more stability in large creative projects. For power users means this that the M5 iPad Pro feels more like a true laptop replacement. And that's right. And the M5 Pro also focuses on next-generation connectivities. We have faster wireless standards. We have improved the mobile data performance, a lower latency, and a better stability for cloud-based workflows. If you really honor cloud storage, remote work, or high-speed networking, the M5 model is clearly more future-proof, of course. And good news or bad news, depending on your expectations. The design of the display remains mostly unchanged. That means both devices matches to the to the keyboard, to the same keyboard. You do not have to buy a new Magic Keyboard for the M5, for example. We have ultra-thin design, stunning OLED-based Ultra Retina exterior display, ProMotion, True Tone, and excellent color accuracy. If you were hoping a design refresh, you won't find it there. But the display is still among the best on any tablet out there. And let's go to in everyday tasks. Browsing, streaming, note-taking, all light productivity, both pads feel equally fast. The difference shows up when we edit high-resolution video, work with a large creative files, use AI-based tools, run demanding multitasking setups. That's where the M5 consistently pulls ahead. So, should you upgrade from the M4 to the M5 iPad Pro? Upgrade if you are a professional creator or power user. Upgrade if you want to maximum performance and the AI capabilities, or you plan to keep your iPad for many years. Skip the upgrade, of course, if you already own the M4 iPad Pro. I think it's not good enough to make this step. Or you're using a mostly casual or moderate. The M4 is still an excellent tablet, but the M5 is clearly built for the future. If you found this video helpful, of course, hit the like button and subscribe me. And if I've forgotten something to tell you or to get into this comparison video, tell this in the comment too, please. That means thanks for watching and please subscribe me. Give me a positive feedback and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun.